The technical debt metaphor has been widely adopted by the software industry. Basically, the debt is an estimation of the effort to fix code smells. In this video, we'll explain how NDepend provides realistic estimations of the technical debt. On the dashboard, we can see that NDepend estimates that on this code base, it would take 3 man-days to fix new issues introduced since the baseline, or 11 man-days to fix all issues. By listing all 499 issues grouped per rules, we can see the debt estimations per rule. This codebase is poorly tested, with only 32% overall coverage. As a consequence, the rule named Code Should Be Tested generates itself most of the debt, 7 days for a total debt of 11 days. For each method not fully covered by tests, this rule estimates the effort required to write tests to cover it all. Refactoring code to make it testable and then writing tests takes time, but the reward is huge. Caring for code well tested is among the best way to prevent bugs and maintainability problems. To make debt estimations realistic, each NDepend rule embeds a smart formula. For example, if we look at the source code of the rule Code Should Be Tested, we can see that debt estimations are based on the actual method complexity, the coverage ratio, the method visibility, and more. Debt estimation is not just for test coverage. If we go back to the debt per rule view, we can see that all sorts of code smells are generating some debt. API breakage changes, object-oriented design, dead code, and more. Finally, let's premise that the technical debt is often measured with a ratio compared to the estimated effort it would take to rewrite the code base from scratch. Here the ratio is 23%, which is obtained from 11 man-days debt estimation divided by the 50 man-days estimated development effort for this code base. Thresholds are used to infer an A, B, C, D, or E debt rating from the overall debt ratio. Since this codebase is poorly covered, its debt rating is D. NDepend also estimates that 2 man-days would be required to reach a C debt rating. In the next video, more advanced concepts around technical debt will be presented.